What if I told you that this futuristic blue SUV could completely change the way families travel? A vehicle so advanced that it looks like it came straight from the future, yet it's available today. Meet the all-new Blue Kia EV9, Korea's revolutionary electric SUV that combines luxury, technology, comfort, and performance in one stunning package. From its bold futuristic design to its premium blue interior and cutting-edge electric powertrain, this SUV is turning heads around the world. But is it really worth all the hype? Stay with me until the end because today we're exploring every detail of the incredible Kia EV9. Hello everyone, welcome back to Neo Drive Korea. Today we are taking an in-depth look at one of the most exciting electric vehicles ever produced by Kia, the stunning Blue Kia EV9. This is not just another electric SUV. It is Kia's flagship vehicle, designed to showcase the future of luxury family transportation. The moment you see the Kia EV9, you immediately notice its bold and futuristic appearance. Unlike traditional SUVs, the EV9 features a completely unique design language. The front end is dominated by an illuminated digital grille that creates a futuristic presence both during the day and at night. The sharp LED matrix headlights give the vehicle an aggressive yet elegant look that instantly attracts attention. The blue exterior color makes the EV9 look even more impressive. Under sunlight, the metallic paint creates beautiful reflections that enhance the vehicle's premium appearance. Every angle of the SUV highlights its modern styling and aerodynamic profile. Moving to the side profile, the EV9 showcases strong body lines and a commanding road presence. The large alloy wheels perfectly complement the SUV's futuristic design. The flush door handles not only improve aerodynamics but also add to the vehicle's clean and modern appearance. As we move toward the rear of the vehicle, we find one of the most distinctive designs in the SUV segment. The vertical LED taillights create a futuristic signature look that makes the EV9 instantly recognizable. The sculpted rear bumper and elegant design elements complete the premium appearance of this impressive electric SUV. Now let's step inside the cabin and discover where the Kia EV9 truly shines. Opening the doors reveals an interior that feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional vehicle. The first thing that captures your attention is the beautiful blue leather upholstery. The premium materials throughout the cabin create an atmosphere of sophistication and comfort. The front seats are designed to provide exceptional comfort during both short commutes and long-distance journeys. The blue leather seats feature premium stitching and excellent support. Heated and ventilated functions ensure maximum comfort regardless of weather conditions. Sitting in the driver's seat immediately makes you feel like you're inside a futuristic vehicle. The digital cockpit features large panoramic displays that seamlessly integrate the instrument cluster and infotainment system. Everything is designed to provide a modern and intuitive user experience. The steering wheel offers a premium feel, while the layout of controls ensures that important functions remain easily accessible. Kia has successfully balanced advanced technology with user-friendly functionality. The dashboard itself is a masterpiece of modern automotive design. Clean lines, premium materials, and ambient blue lighting create a luxurious atmosphere throughout the cabin. At night, the interior transforms into an elegant futuristic space that feels both relaxing and technologically advanced. One of the standout features of the EV9 is its massive touchscreen display. The infotainment system provides access to navigation, entertainment, vehicle settings, and connectivity features. The graphics are sharp, responsive, and visually appealing. The panoramic glass roof allows natural light to fill the cabin, making the interior feel even larger and more open. Passengers can enjoy beautiful views of the sky while traveling, creating a unique and enjoyable experience. Moving to the second row, we discover one of the most luxurious seating areas available in a family SUV. The blue leather captain's chairs provide exceptional comfort and generous space. Passengers enjoy premium armrests, excellent legroom, and a first-class travel experience. The spacious rear seating area demonstrates Kia's commitment to passenger comfort. Even tall adults can sit comfortably without feeling restricted. The combination of premium materials and thoughtful design creates a truly luxurious environment. The third row seating is another impressive feature. Unlike many SUVs where the third row feels cramped, the EV9 offers surprisingly usable space. Families can comfortably accommodate additional passengers without sacrificing comfort. Speaking of family comfort, the EV9 excels as a family vehicle. The spacious cabin provides ample room for passengers, luggage, and daily necessities. Whether you're taking children to school or embarking on a long road trip, this SUV offers the versatility needed for modern family life. Now let's talk about technology because the Kia EV9 is packed with advanced innovations. The vehicle features an impressive array of cameras and sensors that enhance safety and convenience. The 360-degree camera system provides a comprehensive view of the surroundings, making parking and maneuvering significantly easier. Advanced driver assistance systems help improve safety by monitoring traffic conditions and supporting the driver in various situations. These technologies contribute to a more confident and enjoyable driving experience. Connectivity is another area where the EV9 excels. Smartphone integration allows seamless access to navigation, music, communication, and other essential applications. The vehicle effectively becomes an extension of your digital lifestyle. Now let's explore the heart of the Kia EV9, its electric powertrain. Unlike traditional gasoline-powered SUVs, the EV9 is powered by advanced electric motors and a high-capacity battery system. This setup provides instant torque and smooth acceleration that feels both powerful and refined. The moment you press the accelerator, the electric motors deliver immediate response. There is no delay, no waiting for power to build. The acceleration feels smooth, effortless, and incredibly satisfying. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, ensuring confident performance in various driving conditions. Whether driving through city streets or cruising on the highway, the EV9 delivers a composed and comfortable ride. One of the most impressive aspects of electric vehicles is their quiet operation. Inside the EV9, passengers enjoy a peaceful environment with minimal noise and vibration. This contributes significantly to the premium experience. The advanced battery system provides excellent driving range, allowing owners to complete daily activities and longer journeys with confidence. Fast charging capabilities further enhance convenience by reducing charging times. Kia has also focused on efficiency. The EV9 utilizes advanced energy management systems that help maximize range and optimize performance. This means drivers can enjoy both power and practicality. Now imagine taking this beautiful blue SUV on a family road trip. The spacious interior provides room for everyone to travel comfortably. Children can relax in the rear seats while adults enjoy premium comfort in the front. The panoramic roof enhances the travel experience by allowing passengers to enjoy scenic views throughout the journey. Driving along a coastal highway, the EV9 feels perfectly at home. The smooth electric power delivery, quiet cabin, and advanced suspension system create a relaxing and enjoyable driving experience. At the beach, the SUV's striking blue exterior perfectly complements the surrounding ocean scenery. It becomes more than just transportation, it becomes part of the adventure. Long-distance travel is where the EV9 truly demonstrates its capabilities. The comfortable seats, advanced technology, spacious cabin, and efficient electric powertrain combine to create an exceptional touring vehicle. Throughout the journey, passengers remain connected, entertained, and comfortable. This level of versatility makes the EV9 an excellent choice for families seeking a premium electric SUV. As the automotive industry moves toward electrification, vehicles like the Kia EV9 demonstrate what the future can look like. It successfully combines luxury, practicality, innovation, and sustainability in a package that appeals to a wide range of drivers. The bold exterior design ensures that the vehicle stands out wherever it goes. The premium blue interior creates an atmosphere of sophistication and comfort. The advanced technology enhances convenience and safety. The powerful electric drivetrain delivers impressive performance while reducing environmental impact. Few vehicles manage to balance so many strengths so effectively. Kia has created an SUV that not only meets the needs of modern families but also provides an exciting glimpse into the future of transportation. After spending time exploring every aspect of the blue Kia EV9, it's clear why this vehicle has generated so much attention worldwide. It is stylish, innovative, spacious, luxurious, and technologically advanced. Whether you are looking for a premium family vehicle, a futuristic electric SUV, or simply a comfortable and practical daily driver, the Kia EV9 deserves serious consideration. Thank you for joining me on Neo Drive Korea as we explored the incredible blue Kia EV9. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Korean car content. Let me know in the comments what feature impressed you the most. Would you choose the Kia EV9 as your next luxury family SUV? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.